Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to download all Google Photos to an iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and click on the search at the below right corner and just type Google Photos, right? And afterwards, what you're going to do next, you're going to just go ahead and make sure that you downloaded the app and make sure that you updated the app to the latest version so you can have all the new features. Right now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser. Now if you want to download photos from Google Photos, Drive or whatever, just on your iPhone open Google Photos and then select the picture or pictures that you want to save, and then tap the share button, share to and save to files. And then after the photo been saved to the files, you can choose if you want that photo to be saved on your device, alright, or on your photo album, right? So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you in the next one.